Because, Majesty, only Paolo can take this and this and give you
a princess.
Hey cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie and I'm back with you cutie pies, and today is another vlog video of shopping with me. And before we get to the video, please guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell to be notified when I post videos. And let's get into the video. Oh, these are perfectly made for me. This is for my shoes. These are my shoes. These are my shoes. And I also forgot to mention, please go ahead and follow also my social media pages, linked down in the description box below. Let's get into the video. Halloween soap. Oh, I hope it smells so good. Oh, they only have a red one. I don't be like them people. See the camera's hitting me again. Get your fat self with me. What else we came for? What else we came here for? Perfect. There's in that. Aluminum foil too. This one? No. Stop making me laugh.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Texture in the other hair. That's a funny story to mention. I was doing like a different hairstyle that I rarely use. It's like the lace, like sewing. Yeah, I had was that sewing? Yeah, I had sewing, and let me tell you, or was it sewing? Was it sewing, or I forgot what it was called. It's basically where you have not lace front, but it's like a lace front. I don't remember what it's called. Oh, half up, half down style. I had that, and I had the middle part, which usually if I should have did this. I should have did a side part, but no, I wanted to do a middle part, so I did a middle part. And you know how you have the straight in here, because I had the straight hair at the time. I didn't have the curl hair, so I didn't. Well, I had the straight but wave. I had the wavy hair, and I had to make sure I had to do my hair for that. And me being me, I will do it all, like keep doing it instead of like it was time for me to either take down the hair anyways, but I didn't know how long I was supposed to have my hair, so which I should have asked, but I kept doing the hairstyle, make sure doing hair, but there's like a few times for you to straighten your hair, and let me tell you, I burnt a big good chunk of my front, a piece of my hair, like that is fried. Like as you can see, it's different texture. It's more straighter, but it still have this waviness, but my other hair is like more curl pattern. And let me tell you, I damaged the hair. I burnt my hair, and my sis kept picking on me, so don't we're not gonna talk about this. Like it's crazy, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get that back. But yeah, so now hear me spraying the stuff on my hair, which I don't feel anything, but I couldn't use the other spray bottle because the spray, for some reason, I tested the spray nozzle out earlier and it worked, but now that's not working. So I changed it to make it with the nozzle, and I just started plopping all of it on my head, make sure everything's good, evenly coated. Start twisting, or not twisting. I like stretch my hair out with my hands, and then I went in with the detangler brush or comb brush, and I started taking out the knots and chunks and stuff that is like stuck together. And then I end up, once I did that, I end up start doing the twist, which because after doing the twist, I said I look like stupid. Dude, I'm crazy, but nah. But after that, I did put my hair in twists. I make sure I wrapped my hair up. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys. Ooh, watch out, girl! Almost dripping on yourself. But after doing this, it didn't burn for me till after I finished it. And baby, let me tell you, my eyes was burning. My eyes was burning. I mean, like, I thought my eyes was burning before when I started making this stuff, but now my eyes was burning bad afterwards, like crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking you guys' ear off, and I'll come back to you guys with future Kpcutie for the next step. So see you guys, unless you guys go ahead and listen to music from there. After that, we're gonna go ahead and take it down our twist. You can see how the juice like got to in my head. Afterwards it tingled. It like feels good. So now here we are. We're gonna go ahead and wash our hair. So be right back. Now that our hair is fully washed and looks so cute styled, now we're gonna take our oil. But this ain't just any oil. It's peppermint oil. It is my secret oil that I use for my hair to make it hydrate and without the dandruff.
His Majesty, only powder.